Okay, so today, this is my cooking show. So we have to open up the Jell-O. We're using a fork for this because it's amazing. Get a couple. Okay. You want to get most of this thing, / all of it, into here. Okay. Okay, since you've done that, now you gotta grab your cheese stick. You're gonna open it up, okay? And then you're gonna break it up by using a knife. Let me grab that knife. So you're gonna edge off little pieces. Kind of like cutting a cigarette open, / like, it'll look like a whistle, kind of. So, want it in those nice squares. You know, those little pieces like fingertips. So yeah. You don't want to use up the whole thing, you just want to use up maybe most of it. And then and then you want to open up this bad boy right now. So what you gotta do is you gotta go like, you wanna go like, throw that bad boy out. And then you want to put on some spray on butter. Frick. You get this thing open. Okay. You. There. Then what you want to do is you want to spray that butter.
Get it down in the bowl, not on the counter.
Does this thing even work?
Yeah, just pour a little bit out. Not a lot. Jeez.
And then, once you want to do that, my friends, give it a quick you want to give it a quick stir.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that almost onion-like meal. Then you want to put your fork right there.
You cannot drink it.
No. Okay, now follow me to the microwave. You want to take your little thing right here, put it in here, put that little bad boy in there for maybe about 20 seconds, you know? Warm her up. Yeah. If that doesn't work, we're going to have to put it in for 1 minute. Sad. And then you're going to have to grab your cookie. And then the rest of your cheese stick. And then yeah, you'll be Gucci. Gonna put it in there for another 20 seconds. Gonna do some workout. My jumping jacks. This should be good. Feels like crap, dude.
Think.
Smells like crap.
It looks like it.
It looks like blood. So you want to get your fall cookies in there. Maybe get some more cheese. Put in that bad boy. At least it's kind of warm, actually. And then you want to get your dish soap favorite brand.
Okay.
You want to get about maybe a millimeter in there. And then you want to stir it. Okay. Next, what you want to do is you want to get your hand sanitizer. Put a little drops in. Oh, is it freaking stuck? So what you want to do is you want to get your hand sanitizer. And you want to pour 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 drops in that bad boy. So it'll have that nice chemical taste to it. And then you want to get your nasal allergen.
No.
Spray.
No, I don't have that much. You're not using
Okay,
what I've
and
got.
then what you want to do is you want to get 1 more of this slice. And you want to take a really sharp knife because you're going to have to cut a small portion of it off. There you go. That is how you cook at Mikey's place. There you go.
Put the knife down.
And then what you need to top it off with is a chip, actually, surprisingly. And
Okay, the end.
yeah, the end, man.